guys, we are here again to make another dish, another soup. Okay, I don't know how long you have made this kind of soup I'm going to be making today. Okay, so we are going to be making together. Why I'm saying we are is because we are doing it together. All right, it's been a long time actually take make this soup. Okay, this is Ogbono Soup. It's a seed, but it's been already grand. They grinded it already for me, so they call it Ogbono. It's actually a slimy seed that has been grinded. Okay, so definitely this soup is going to be slimy like an okra soup. Yeah. So in case you're seeing this face for the first time, thank you for joining this channel. I'm a mother of three children. Are you surprised? Okay, so this is my kitchen. I'm just managing this kitchen. Please just bear with me, okay, while I go ahead to cook. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using to make the soup. So this is the main source of the soup. It is called ogbono. It's already grinded here. Okay, so this is our dried fish that we are going to be using. All right, so this is our periwinkle. I don't know if you've seen this before. This is periwinkle. It's already removed from the shell. It's actually very good. It gives blood. Yeah, it does. Okay, so and this is my onions in my bowl. Okay, I actually did a little of okra because I just want a little of greeny something to be in there. It's not important. It's already slimy. The seed, the ogbono is already slimy. It's already drying. So adding this might be too much. But I just want to, since this is the way I like it. Okay, so this is optional. The okra here, the green okra here is actually optional. Okay. So this is my season, my Maggi. I just did one or two in here. I just tried to open up everything. So I'll be fast about this video. All right. So this is my pepper. Yeah, so this is my pepper, my habanero pepper that I like using to cook. All right. And this is my crayfish that I'm going to be using. This is crayfish, all crayfish. I like putting a lot of crayfish in my soup. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using to cook. All right, so let's go into the business of the, is it date? Yes, it is. So this is periwinkle. And sorry, I forgot to show you. So this is my stock. This is my meat. I have my beef. I have my cow leg in here. I have my stock fish inside here too. So I'm going to be turning this inside here because I want to steam it a little bit before I put it in the main soup. Okay, yeah. Also, this is the leaf. We are going to be putting this leaf same in this soup. Okay, so this is called uzuza leaf. Okay, a lot of the Igbos will know it. They call it uzuza leaf. Okay, in case I didn't get it right, that I'm just trying. That's not where I'm from, but the leaf is a nice leaf. Okay, so in case you want to make this kind of soup, you ask for this leaf, uzuza leaf. Okay, all right. So I'm going to be cutting it together here before I put it in the soup. So now I'm going to be on the gas so we can steam up this periwinkle. Okay, we can steam up the periwinkle together before we go ahead to make the soup. So I just want this to steam just a little. Let's turn it, just a little steam of it, then I'll take it off because I'm going to be using this pot for the main soup. This pot might be too small for it. All right. Okay, so while we are waiting for that to steam up, all right, so I'm going to be going ahead. Let's go ahead to cut the leaf. We have to create space here, so I can cut this leaf while that is on fire. So this is my leaf. A lot of people do this in the market. I don't do that. I actually bring mine in here and cut it, slice it at home, wash it, and slice it. Okay, so this is the leaf I'm going to be slicing it. I believe you can see me from there. Okay. You can use your chopping stick to slice it. You can slice it to any size you want. You want it to be big cut in your pot. It's still very okay. Alright, it's fine. Whatever you want. The best is the moderate way. I cut it in the moderate form. So I'm going to show you the results of the leaf. Okay, we are good. So this is my leaf. This is how my leaf is being cut. All right. Managing my space. Okay, so we are good with this. So I'm going to be turning this into the pot. Since this is the pot we are going to be using, okay, I'm bringing it closer so we can see together. Then I'm going to be adding more water. Rinse this and add it up there. Okay, so that is it. So you know the quantity of your water that you want to use to cook your soup, and be careful with the ogbono you're going to use to know the water, the consistency of the water. So let's go with this first while we go ahead. From there we know better if you want to add more. So let's on our gas. Yeah, we're going to be using palm oil too for the soup. This is my palm oil, so let's add up our palm oil. Remember, this is your stock meat, your stock fish, every of your protein is there. So let's add up our fish, our dry fish. Let's add it up. Okay, so we're adding up our dry fish. All right, so that's our dry fish. To add up our pepper, I'm not going to be using everything. I'm going to just add a little of it. Let me see what is remaining, just small. Okay, add a little of it. Then our crayfish, we're going to be adding everything. So we are going to be taking a little of the onions, not the okra yet. I took a little of the onions. All right. Then we'll allow it to boil. I think we'll need to add water again, but we need to be careful with this so it won't be watery. So let's just see how it goes first. Then we can add up our water later. So we'll allow it to boil. Yeah. So stay tuned when we'll allow it to boil, then we come. Okay, so it's already boiling. As you can see, so let's turn it together. Our soup is already getting thick. That's why I said there will be a need for us to add water, but let's be careful about it. Okay. I'm going to take one of my seasons, just one. Okay, so let's add the ogbono in. I want to do everything. So it is in already, the ogbono is there already. So we turn it. Yeah. Are you seeing it's already getting slimy? So at this point, there might not be need for the okra. You might not need it. But I want to add mine because I think I need it. I just want something in there. Are you seeing? It's already too thick. So let's add water. I told you there will be need for water. Okay. So let's add water. Add more water. A lot of people like it very thick. Okay, so I like it to boil. Let's test it. Okay, so let me take this out. So I'm going to be adding this up. We'll check again. Is it too thick? So you check yourself. How do you want it? For me, I think it's actually thick, so I'll add a little water again. So you see how you'll be checking your water consistency? I add a little water again. I'm good. I don't need any other water. This is good for me. Okay, so I'll just allow it to boil. Add my season, taking it one step at a time. Okay. So let's test it. Wow. A lot of people say, what kind of soup is this? They call it Ogbono Soup. Okay. My last season, and I'm good. So the last thing we're going to be adding is the leaf. You're already done. Very simple and soft, light soup. Low budget too. Hey, it's not expensive. It's not. It is not. I like testing my soup because I want to know what is not there. Okay, so this is the last thing we are going to be adding. That is the leaf. We make sure it remains greenish. Okay, so this is it. A lot of people like the soup. A lot of people like the soup. So if you like the soup, you can put it in the comment section. I love the soup. So you can add more oil. If you feel this oil, the oil is not okay, you can add more oil. Try not to make it too watery so you can be able to eat it. Okay, I'm testing it again. My God. So it's ready. Now, you can use this. You can prepare this to eat with it. This is poundo. It's in my video, in my channel. Just go down there. You see how to prepare this. Very easy to make. So, thank you so much. I am done with the soup. So, this is how the soup is. This is the consistency of the soup. You can see it's not watery. It's just there. Okay, so that is how the soup is. That is our soup. That is our soup. Okay, so thank you so much for staying put with me. So I'm going to be making the poundo. I have the video already in there, so I'm not going to film that to show you. So I'm off the fire now because the soup is ready. So thank you for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and please, I'm entitled to membership. Please join my community. Please, whatever you can do about membership for me, please do so I can start it up. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.